Hi everyone, this is a quick run through on how to take payment for one large Epos order that's wanting to be paid individually. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So I have the cricket club coming for a meeting lunch. You can see them there in booking and it's a large order. Let's say one bloke, Norman, has to leave, so he wants to pay for what he's had. So go to the top, swipe left, click on payment, bring up the panel and click on pay. You can always put their name in if they're a regular customer and they have an account. Right, then click on the split bill calculator and check off what he had. And you see that the red will turn green and the outstanding balance will be left to settle. You could even put Norman's name where it says payment 1 at the top. Norman's got £35.60 to pay and I'm going to put it through as cash and do it the same for the next person. Hope that helps. Thanks, bye.